The opulent halls of Versailles echoed with whispers of discontent as King Louis XVI and his queen, Marie Antoinette, grappled with a nation on the brink of revolution. It was 1789, and France was a powder keg of economic crisis, social inequality, and Enlightenment ideals. The storming of the Bastille on July 14th ignited the spark, sending shockwaves through the monarchy and nobility alike. As the revolution gained momentum, Louis found himself increasingly powerless. The National Assembly dismantled the feudal system, and the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen challenged the very foundations of absolute monarchy. Louis's indecision and failed attempt to flee the country in 1791 sealed his fate. The monarchy was abolished, and the king was put on trial for treason. On a cold January morning in 1793, Louis XVI stood before the guillotine in the Place de la Révolution. The once absolute monarch, now stripped of titles and dignity, faced his people for the last time. As the blade fell, ending the life of Louis Capet, as he was now known, a collective gasp rose from the crowd. The execution of a king was a point of no return, plunging France into the reign of terror and reshaping the political landscape of Europe. The ideals of liberté, égalité, fraternité had triumphed, but at a cost that would be felt for generations to come.